Endnotes and footnotes are both citation features that allow the writer to reference a particular source simply by using a subscript number in text. The only difference between the two is that footnotes include all of the citations used on that particular page in the footer section of it, while endnotes include all of the citations made in the entire paper at the end of the document. In other words, endnotes refer to all of the references made at the end of the paper, and footnotes refer to the footer, where citations appear on each page. To add a footnote in the Windows version of Microsoft Word 2013, begin by going up to the top menu bar and clicking on the References tab. Bring your cursor over to the Footnotes section of the menu and click on the button that says Insert Footnote. This will automatically insert a subscript number in your paper and add it to the footer section of the current page. After clicking on this button, you will be taken down to the footer area and be able to type out your citation. Since the citation you include down here will depend on the reference style that you have been asked to use, I will not go into specifics about what information is required in this citation. After this, you can click back into the text of your paper and carry on writing where you left off. When you need to include an additional footnote, simply repeat what you did before by going up into References and selecting Insert Footnote. If you happen to get out of the footer section and you would like to edit it, double-click on this area of the document, as I am doing here, and you will be able to type in it again. To add an endnote, begin by going up to the top menu bar and clicking on the References tab. Bring your cursor over to the Footnotes section of the menu and click on the button that says Insert Endnote. This will automatically insert a subscript number in your paper and add it in an area near the end of your document. After clicking on this button, you will be taken down to this area and be able to type out your citation. After this, you can click back into the text of your paper and carry on writing where you left off. When you need to include an additional endnote, simply repeat what you did before by going into References and selecting Insert Endnote. Something that you may notice when you add an endnote is that the subscript numbers are all in Roman numerals. If you would rather have regular numbers, simply bring your cursor over to the corner button in the Footnotes section of the menu and click on it. A pop-up window will appear. Under the Format heading, you will see an area called Number Format. If you click next to this, another drop-down menu will pop up and allow you to select what kind of characters you would like for your subscripts. Select the top option with the numbers and click Apply. This will correct all the endnotes you have already made and make any future endnotes all numbers.